Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hani Astrid Junior. I am from Institut Pangeran Darmakusuma. We would like to present our research about the effect of Jigsaw type cooperative learning model with mind mapping assistant in improving critical thinking skills of elementary school students. First slide about an introduction. Education is the most valuable for this nation. Education in elementary school is the most essential things that in use as a guide for further education. The education process is expected to run optimally and with quality. However, nowadays there are many problems that students experience, such as difficulty solving problem, dependence of giving answer, low ability to argue, lack of creativity, and many other problems. To overcome this problem, teacher applying learning methods that encourage students to think critically about if students have the ability, they will more easily solve a problem. In order to improve students' critical thinking skill in classroom learning, it is a good idea for a teacher to apply more existing models. One of them is by using a jigsaw type cooperative learning model with mind mapping assistant.
Well, the second one is literature review, cooperative type jigsaw. The jigsaw type cooperative learning model is a type of active learning consisting of heterogeneous learning teams, consisting of 4 to 5 people. Students in text format present the material, and each student is responsible for mastering some of the learning materials. Mind mapping is a note-taking technique that develops a visual learning styles because the way to make it is by placing the main topic or core of the discussion of material in the middle and making branches, symbols, image, and colors so that it is more interesting. There is a combination of colors, symbols, shapes, and others. It makes it easier for the brain to absorb the information received. 4 steps must be carried out in the mind mapping based learning process: overview, review, in view, and review. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is logical and reflective thinking that is focused on making decisions about what to believe or do. Critical thinking includes two things, namely the ability to think critically, critical thinking ability, and critical thinking disposition. Students who have critical thinking skills are characterized by being able to identify problems, collect the necessary information, find ways that can be used to deal with problems, use precise language, use logical reasoning, and conclude. Based on the critical thinking ability indicators above, some of which are related to learning. The critical thinking ability indicators that can be used include focus in determining what to focus on in the problem. This is done so that work becomes more effective because with knowing the focus of the problem, we will waste much time. Reason is giving reason for an answer or the conclusion. Inference is estimating the conclusion that will be obtained. The overview is checking the correct answer. Next, about social science. Yeah, social science. Social science is one of the subjects taught from elementary school until junior high school. Social science examines a set of events, fact, concepts, and generalization related to social issues. Through social science, students are directed to become democratic, responsible Indonesian citizens and world citizens who love peace. In the future, students will face tough challenges because life in the global community is constantly changing all the time. Okay, now discussion.
Discussion, however, argue that the jigsaw type cooperative learning model influence students' ability to understand learning concept and increase student understanding of learning problems and problem-solving abilities. The jigsaw model gives students the opportunity to learn collaborative share information, and build mutual understanding. This model also makes students think logically, analyze data, and create their knowledge. When students engage in discussion and ask each other questions, they are encouraged to think more deeply and critically about the material being studied. The use of mind mapping as a visual aid has also proven effective. Mind mapping helps students to organize information systematically, making it easier for them to organize complex ideas and concepts. The application of mind mapping learning model also makes students more comfortable in discussing so that discussion run more smoothly. The relationship between the jigsaw learning model and mind mapping saw a strong synergy in the learning process. Students not only learn individually but also collectively, creating more prosperous and more varied discussion. Mind mapping supports a deeper understanding of the material, while interaction in groups helps students to question and criticize their understanding and the understanding of their friends. That creates a dynamic and constructive learning atmosphere, which significantly support the development of critical thinking skill.
The last one, conclusion. Critical thinking skills become essential in the context of social science learning, where students are faced with various complex social issues. By developing critical thinking skills, students can analyze and evaluate information better and make informed decisions. Overall, the integration of the jigsaw learning model, mind mapping, and the development of critical thinking creates a dynamic and constructive learning environment which can prepare students to face future challenges. Thanks all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.